How you doing, guys? Welcome back. As the dogs seem to be taking off, I thought I'd cover Dogelon one time only. um, Reason being is that I have very little interest in this, other than the fact that I think you guys might appreciate some honest review and have a look at the price action. Now, as you can see, Dogelon had a massive run which began on the 4th of October, and since then we've had a huge sell-off, as you'd expect with something like this. It's blown up, had a huge sell-off, but it did actually back test at the 618 and had another little run and got blocked, and since then we've been sub 786, and where we are currently, and I'll just take us to the hour, is we are knocking on the door. We are knocking on the door. So more than likely this will break the 786. And when it does, do expect it to make a run to, I'm just going to call it 1112. There's too many noughts in there for me. I don't really like covering this sort of token. But yeah, in all honesty, when this thing breaks, it's going to look something like this. And it's going to have a nice shot. I think it's going to get stuck around here for a little while. We'll either tail off. I'm going to actually hold that there. It's either then going to tail off back slowly, dare say, back to the 786, and the move will be over, or this thing is going to continue its run. How high can it go? Yeah. Again, I'm not going to speculate, but I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to leave that there, and it's going to be marked blue. Like I said, I've put a nice video out on Shiba. There was a really brief one, just offering up some advice, and then I've just uploaded a deep dive as well, so you can hopefully see where it's come from and where it may go. And then also I've just put one out for Dogecoin, so I thought it would be polite to put this one out as well. I do expect this one to take off. I really do. And from where we are, 968, I suppose that's not really a very big pump, is it? See what I'm going to do. I'm going to mark this one green, because I think if we do have a run, it's going to be at least 50%. But like I said, I do expect us to get kind of stuck around the 1120 mark, but we should then move off up to 1400. If we don't, we'll tail back, more than likely go again, and worst case scenario, if we lose support from here, we are more than likely going to tail back to about 845. So that's your red prediction. We lose support and we tail back. I do think this has got a really good run left in the tank. Just pull out to 4 hourly quickly and drag this one around and have a look. From where it went previously, am I going to find it? From where it went, right? This is a good example. When it wants to move, once it breaks resistance, what sort of run does it give? 92%. Alright, so let's take that 92% and put it in over here, because it does, although I can't say it breaks market structure, but it does like to test the resistance, which is good to see. It shows me this thing's not an absolute dud. So from where we were, we've just failed to break above. But once we do, what would 92% look like? Excuse me. That would bring us to 1926. So I think I've actually underestimated this one. I'm going to continue that. But I will leave it red, because that's hopium. So I think that for a realistic run, anywhere around 1400 is a fair guesstimate. when this thing launches. However, we have got a significant resistance again at 1947, which is just above 90% higher than where we are. So that's kind of it from me. This will be the one and only video on Elon. I'm showing you what to look out for if we lose the support, but also where this thing could go or struggle once it begins going. Best of luck to everyone who's in, and yeah, I'd appreciate knowing in the comments what happens, because I probably won't keep an eye on it. So do let me know. Do let me know. If you've enjoyed the content, do like and subscribe. And if you really want to see more videos on Elon, then drop me some comments. If I get more than I don't know, if I get more than 20 likes or 20 comments, then realistically I'll do another video. All right, best of luck. Take care.